Welcome to the ultimate test of your global knowledge. We have countries, continents, nature, maps, and facts. Ready? Let's go! Round 1. Countries and capitals. Can you identify them? Question 1. What is the capital of Australia? It's Canberra, not Sydney. It was chosen as a compromise between rivals Sydney and Melbourne. Question 2. Recognize this boot shape? That is Italy, home to the Roman Empire and the most UNESCO sites in the world. Question 3. What is the capital of Canada? It is Ottawa, one of the coldest capitals in the world. Round 2. Continents and regions. Question 4. Which continent is Egypt in? Africa, although the Sinai Peninsula is technically in Asia. Question 5. Which is the largest continent by land area? Asia is the correct answer. It covers 30% of Earth's land area and holds 60% of the population. Round 3. Natural features. Let's go wild. Question 6. What is generally considered the longest river in the world? The Nile, though some scientists argue the Amazon might be longer. Question 7. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? The Ural Mountains. They run from the Arctic Ocean down to Kazakhstan. Round 4. Map orientation. Don't get lost. Question 8. If you travel directly north from the continental US, where do you go? Canada. It's the longest non-militarized border in the world. Final round. Geographical facts and curiosities. Question 9. Which country has the most natural lakes in the world? Canada again. Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined. Question 10. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. It fits entirely within the city of Rome. That's it for this edition. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and follow for more quizzes. Welcome back to part 3. Let's keep the streak going with 5 more questions. Question 11. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. It's the most populous metropolitan area in the world. Question 12. Where is the Amazon rainforest primarily located? South America, mostly within Brazil. Question 13. What is the highest mountain on Earth above sea level? Mount Everest, sitting on the border of Nepal and China. Question 14. The prime meridian passes through which famous observatory? The Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London. Question 15. What is considered the driest non-polar desert in the world? The Atacama Desert in Chile. Some parts haven't seen rain for centuries. Great job! We're halfway to 30. Question 16. What is the largest country in the world by land area? Russia. It spans 11 time zones. Question 17. Where is the Sahara Desert located? North Africa. It's the largest hot desert in the world. Question 18. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The Pacific Ocean. It covers more area than all land masses combined. Question 19. Which country is often called Lexicon due to its shape? France. Question 20. Which country has the most islands in the world? Sweden, with over 260,000 islands. 20 down. 10 to go. You're doing great. Question 21. Which country has the largest population in the world? India. It recently surpassed China. Question 22. Which continent is located at the South Pole? Antarctica. It contains about 90% of the world's ice. Question 23. What is the largest island in the world that is not a continent? Greenland. Australia is defined as a continent. Question 24. The equator passes through which three South American countries? Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil. Question 25. Where is Angel Falls, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall? Venezuela. It drops 979 meters. 25 questions complete. We have one final part left. 6 is here. Let's hit 30 questions. Question 26. Which country has the most official languages in the world? Papua New Guinea. It has over 800 languages. Question 27. Which is the smallest continent by land area? Australia, or Oceania. Question 28. What is the deepest known point in the Earth's oceans? The Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench. Question 29. Which country has the most time zones, including overseas territories? France. With its territories, it has 12 or 13 time zones. Question 30. Which capital city is the highest in the world? La Paz, Bolivia. It sits at about 3,650 meters high. 30 questions complete. That's a marathon. Check the description for the next finale. Questions 31 to 35. Let's finish strong. Question 31. As of 2024, what is the newest recognized country in the world? South Sudan. It gained independence in 2011. Question 32. Which continent has the most independent countries? Africa, with 54 fully recognized sovereign states. Question 33. What is the largest lake in the world by surface area? The Caspian Sea. It's so big it's called a sea. Question 34. Which is the only country situated in all 4 hemispheres? Kiribati. Its islands scatter across the equator and the date line. Question 35. What is widely considered the coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth? Oymyakon, Russia. Temperatures can drop below -70 Celsius. And that's a wrap. You survived the 35-question challenge. Thanks for playing. Follow for more.